Hello everyone, so today I will discuss the dramatic structure and elements of literature of Manang Biday. So, Manang Biday is a traditional Ilocano folk song from the Philippines, not a short story or novel. The song is often about courtship and romance, typically reflecting the cultural practices and values of the Ilocano people. The dramatic structure is first exposition. The song introduces Manong Biday, the object of the singer's affection. The singer expresses his deep admiration for her beauty and character, setting the stage for the themes of courtship and longing. Rising action. The singer attempts to court Manang Biday, showcasing his efforts to win her heart. This part of the song often includes descriptions of the singer's feeling and the length he is willing to go to prove his love. The climax in the song is typically when the singer passionately declares his love for Manang Biday and pleads for her to acknowledge his feelings. This moment is filled with emotional intensity and earnestness. The singer reflects on his efforts and the possible outcomes of his courtship. This section might describe the hope and anticipation he feels as he awaits Manang Biday's response. The resolution varies depending on the version of the song or how it is interpreted. It can end with the singer accepting Manang Biday's decision. Whether she reciprocates his feelings or not, encapsulating a sense of enclosure or ongoing longing. The elements of literature in Manang Biday. First, the plot revolves around the theme of courtship, with the singer expressing his love and admiration for Manang Biday, and his attempts to win her affection. Characters. First, Manang Biday, the woman whom the singer is in love with. She symbolizes beauty, grace, and the cultural ideal of femininity. The singer, the man who admires and courts Manang Biday. He represents the traditional suitor, respectful and earnest in his intentions. The setting is typically rural, reflecting the traditional Ilocano lifestyle. The song evokes image of a simple pastoral life where courtship and romance play out against a backdrop of community and natural beauty. Major themes include love, courtship, admiration, patience, and cultural practices surrounding romance and marriage. The song also touches on the values of respect and perseverance in pursuing love. The primary conflict is the singer's struggle to win Manang Biday's affection, which involves internal conflict and external conflict. The song employs a lyrical and poetic style, using simple yet evocative language to express deep emotions. The repetition of lines and melodic structure enhance the song's emotional impact and memorability. The point of view is the song is sung from the first person perspective of the suitor, allowing listeners to directly connect with his emotions and experiences. Manang Biday symbolizes the ideal woman, embodying beauty, virtue, and cultural values. Courtship actions symbolize the traditional practices and rituals of Ilocano courtship, such as serenade, harana, and offering tokens of affection. And by analyzing Manang Biday through its dramatic structure and literary elements, one can appreciate how the song encapsulates the cultural of Ilocano romance and courtship, reflecting broader theme of love, respect, and perseverance in the face of longing and desire. That's all. Thank you.